Hello student, welcome to our 6th standard mathematics lesson number 13 symmetry. In last sessions we discussed regarding the introduction or revision of the symmetry. What the things are there in symmetry? Student, before starting our today's sessions, let's do some physical or mental exercise with silent prayer. Are you ready with your stationaries, beta? Yes, very good. So take a while for a silent prayer. Very good, student. Very good. So here are the questions of exercise 13.1 of standard 6 mathematics. Questions and solutions I will say afterwards. List the any four symmetrical from your home or school. We should have to write any symmetrical figures or thing nearby our house or school. My dear student, here is the question number 2. For the given figure, which one is the mirror line L1 or L2? Mirror line, students, exactly divided into two parts. So here you can find it exactly. This figure is having a two part. Yes, whatever the right side, same way at the left side. Now think about this line, green color. I am taking now green color, okay, or blue color. Violet color I am taking and drawing the line. This one line is the mirror line. Exact copy this one. This is the rectangle and upside is the triangle. So this is not a mirror line, or you can say symmetry line. So we can say it's a L1, isn't it? So like this way we can solve one by one all questions. Look at here. Look at here. Question number 3. Question number 3. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 figures are given. Figure 1 is showing of the lock, B is showing the cup, C is showing little bit F type, D is the telephone, older telephone are there, dial wala, yes, E is the like a suppose D and F is the pentagon, isn't it? So we should have to check out. Very interesting question is here, my dear student. Copy the following on a square paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Yes, when you are 3rd standard or 4th standard, you are using the square line books. Then complete them such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. Here the dotted lines are given. According to that, we should have to draw the another part or mirror line. Isn't it? Let's check afterwards answer. First of all, see the question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. My dear student, here line, dotted line is a symmetrical line, or you can say mirror line. And whatever the left downside part will come. Isn't it? Let's check the answer afterwards. Okay, one more is here. In the figure, L is the line this line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. Symmetric means exact copy, coincide. Now answers are here. In first question we had a list of the things which are the symmetrical in our house or a school. First of all, we can say notebook in both the places. Yes, very good student. A blackboard also symmetrical. Yes, a glass also symmetrical. Ink pot also is symmetrical. Ink pot, do you know? Don't ink pot like this a bottle is there. In the olden days, these types of bottle were coming. Or you can say, yes. If you draw a line of symmetry in between straight line, exact one side, is it the right side? Is it? So you can find out this one also here. Now look at here. L2 is the mirror line as both sides of lines are symmetric. Horizontal not, but vertical line was there, which is the symmetrical line, or you can say mirror line. What about the third one? Question number 3. Is it a symmetrical? A lock is symmetrical, beta? Yes, there is a line of symmetry. We are discussing in this exercise line of symmetry. In the log, we can see line of symmetry is a vertical. Straight line means vertical, beta. Can we cut the log like this way? Whatever the upper side, what the downside is same? No, it is not there. But when we cut it in the vertical way, isn't it? That time whatever the left side, as it is a right side also we can get it. So that's why it's a line of symmetry is a vertical. What about the glass? Same way, it's a vertical. Can you see line of symmetry is a vertical? Yes. What about the C type? The C was that like that the shape was given in the question. I already said like this way it was there. Isn't it? This is not a horizontal or vertical. कहाँ से भी नहीं हो सकता है. Clear? That's why it's not a symmetric. But what about D? D is the telephone. Telephone we can cut it in the vertical way. It has that both part left and right side are equally. दिखने में equal है बेटा. Picture में भी equal रहेगा, देखने में भी equal रहेगा. Line of symmetry is vertical. And what about the D? Vertical is not possible. Vertical is not possible. How? See, if I draw the line here I can found a rectangle, but here I found the rectangle with rounded shape. Isn't it? So left side I will get it like this way, and right side I will get it like this way. So both parts are equal. Sorry, this both parts are not equal. Isn't it? That's why this is a not vertical. But if I do the horizontal, I will get exact part, whatever I am up part, down part also is there. Is it or not? Yes, my dear student, you clearly got the idea what are the horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. There are two possibilities, either it's a horizontal line of symmetry or vertical line of symmetry. Is it better? Yes. Now look at the F. F maybe pentagon is given. I think so it's a regular pentagon which gives us a vertical line of symmetry. Anyone has doubt regarding this question, student? No. Thank you, beta. So we will move for the next answer. Answer number 5. Yes, my dear student, here line of symmetry was given. Line of symmetry was given. Check the first one, L. ए का एग्जैक्ट पार्ट दिया था, आपको उसका आंसर मिल गया. ऐसा दिया था क्वेश्चन, तो उसका लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री स्ट्रेट था. एग्जैक्टली यू कोइंसाइड, यू विल गेट ए डायमंड. सेम वे बेटा, लुक एट हियर, व्हाट इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? सी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वन इज हियर. ऐसा लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री दिया था बेटा. इसका एग्जैक्ट कॉपी कहाँ मिलेगा? नीचे की साइड पे मिलेगा बेटा. कहाँ मिलेगा? दिस वे, दिस वे, दिस वे, this way, this way and this way. Isn't it? So green color is showing the image. Isn't it better? So in A and B, anyone has doubt regarding? Blue is the question and green is the answer. Why? Because the line of symmetry given here in this way. L is given. Isn't it? Let's see the third one more. इसका क्या मिलेगा बेटा आंसर? Question was given like this way and answer is like this way. See. Isn't it? Okay. Question was downside, answer is with green color. Line of symmetry is diagonal. This is called the diagonal. So we had two choices. Horizontal means ada, vertical means khada, and diagonal means cross wala. Either this way or this way. Isn't it? Two diagonals are there. This is also diagonal. This is also diagonal. Isn't it? But horizontal means this way. Vertical means straight. Isn't it? Correct. Now look at here about this one. Same figure, you can see the downside. Is it or not? Correct. Look at the E and F also. Try to draw in your lower classes. Yes, lower classes notebook, or you can make it in your single line book to square book. Will you make it square book? How? Yes, 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 yes. Correct. Very good answer. Very good answer. Correct. So you are having a single line book, you just draw the straight line with equal distance, you will get a square book. Yes or no? Yes, you will get it a square book. Okay, now look at here my dear student, one question was given. In this question, line of symmetry given here and picture was on the top side. exact copy of the pictures, you will get it downside and you can find out this is a line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. Is it or not? Yes, my dear student, it is easy. So dotted lines are the, yes, I am taking this dotted line. So line of symmetry is dotted and green colors answers is here, which is the exact copy of what you had. You had the top part, down part was not given. So when you folded or tracing the paper, you will get exact copy of this one, or you can hold exact 90-degree of line of symmetry, a mirror, you will get the same figure. Yes, my dear student, this was the very interesting question was given. In the question was I am drawing with the green color, and you can find out the answer with the different color. This was the question was given, but the green color se diya hua question hai. Line of symmetry is given here, L. Now I am trying to get it with the red color, is the answer. When you fold it from here, you will get the answer like this way. Whatever you had a triangle, but when you get it, you will having the these types of shape. Two triangles are not there, but now little bit a star type. Yes, it not? Yes, look at like a star, shining stars, my little stars of standard 6. Is it or not? Mathematics. So in day-to-day life, without symmetry, we cannot find anything. So practical life, symmetry is given. Easy? Okay. Now my dear student, here we end up our exercise 13.1. Anyone has still now doubt? 6 questions were there, and again I am taking revision for the 1 to 6 questions answers. Those who have still now doubt, they can ask anytime. First question was given, list the name of the things which are nearby your house or school which are showing the symmetry. A textbook? Yes. Notebook? Yes. Then after a blackboard? Exactly. Glass? Yes. Either a steel glass or a glass. Yes. Very good, beta. Ink pot. Just I drawn in to show you what are the ink bottle. Okay. Yes. Medicine bottle also are there. They are equally divided vertically. Okay. Look about the second one. What the picture was given like this way, and they ask us a line of symmetry like as a hut, and they shown the 2 lines, one line here and one line straight. Is it? So here L2 is the line of symmetry. This was the L2 and this was the L1. Is it? So when you find the L1 line of symmetry, you have 2 parts. One part is a triangle and second part is the like as a rectangle or a square. 2 parts are there. Exactly both are equal? No, both are not equal. But when you take it the L2 line, you will having the this types of shape one side, and exactly you can get the same part right side. When you join together, you are having the exact picture. Is it or not? So that's why L2 is the line of symmetry. Look at the log. Everyone knowing this log. Horizontal is not possible. Vertical is possible. This is the horizontal. It is possible? No. Because on the top side you will get like this way only. Is it? And downside you will get it like this way. Both parts are equal. This part and this part equal? No. These are not equal parts. That's why this is not a line of symmetry. But when you put it here, like this way, exactly same copy you will get it here. I am trying to explain you. Exactly like this way. Is it or not? Big circle. Etc. Yes, cutting on the vertical line of symmetry. A glass. Line of symmetry. In the glass, vertically you can cut it. Look at the light is a fan. It was not there. But a telephone, it is also a line of symmetry with vertical. D. Line of symmetry with the horizontal. Pentagon. Line of symmetry vertically. Is it? These types of playing games are there, or you can fold it and draw it. Next question was given in the arrow. An angle. Yes, it's an angle, and afterwards you can become a half A. इसे सोया हुआ है. Yes, soya हुआ है. Two triangles are like that in a star mode. But be careful, where is your line of symmetry is given, according to there you can get the exact image, or you can hold it a mirror on the line of symmetry, you will get the final answer. Very good, students. Now we are moving on our exercise 13.2. Questions are here. Again, very interesting questions are given. My dear student, find the number of line of symmetries for each of the following shapes. Here A to F pictures are given. All are at different shapes. We should have to find out a line of symmetry. We are having 3 answers till now. Horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, and diagonally line of symmetry. 3 types are there. Horizontal means this way, soya hua. Vertical means straight, and diagonally means this or this cross one. Isn't it? Or you can say 3 types of line of symmetry or mirror image. Second one. Copy the triangle in each of the following figures on square paper. In each case, draw the lines of symmetry, if any, and identify the type of triangle. Some of you may like to trace the figures and try paper folding first. You can take it as square paper, single line paper, or a blank paper, and try to get it these types of shapes and tracing. Exactly copy what type of things you will get it, you have to show it. Next question is here. Complete the following table. Shapes are given, rough figure is given, and number of line of symmetries are given. Equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle, beta? A triangle whose all the 3 sides are equal length. It's called the equilateral triangle. Easy? Yes. So here equilateral triangle, rough figure also you have to draw it and show it 3 lines of symmetry. What about square? Just try and draw it. We will see in the afterwards. Rectangle, isosceles triangle. Oh, very good questions. Isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Can anybody want to give the answer? Yes. My dear student, you are right, correct, 100% correct. A triangle whose 2 sides are equal and one side is different measure called the isosceles triangle. Very big clap, applause. Very good. Isosceles, okay, but a rhombus, it is like as a square, but little difference you can see in its standard. What is the difference between square, rectangle, and rhombus? Rectangle and square you are knowing now. Square have all 4 sides equal, rectangle have opposite sides are equal. Last but not least is a circle. We should have to write the line of symmetry for circle also. Question 4. Can you draw a triangle which has first exactly 1 line of symmetry? Second, exactly 2 lines of symmetry. C, exactly 3 lines of symmetry. D, no lines of symmetry. 4 questions are given. Sketch a rough figure in each case. We should have to not say only answer, we should have to prove it also with drawing the figure. Question number 5. On a square paper, sketch the following. A triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. B, a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. C, a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. D, a hexagon with exactly with 2 lines of symmetry. E, a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. Hint are given, beta. It will be helpful if you first draw the line of symmetry and then complete the figure. Let's check it afterwards. Now look at the question number 6 is here. Question number 6 is here. Trace each figure and draw the lines of symmetry if any. First of all, whatever the questions are given, you can trace it, means duplicate copy karne ke beta. उसके ऊपर बटर पेपर रख के कर सकते हैं आप। ट्रेसिंग मतलब ये बटर पेपर हैव यू सीन oily paper? Yes, in olden times it was given, but now you can check it a patla paper and just use the kerosene or a oil, and then after you can use it that one as a tracing paper. Or you are having the carbon paper, keep it the carbon paper downside and then up the paper, and then upside you can keep the our figure questions and draw it whatever is given. Here also A, B, C, D, E, F, G given. बराबर बेटा A B C is it E F also given. Very good. Look at the question number 7 and then last one is 8. Today we are going to complete 7 and 8 also. Consider the letters of alphabet A to Z. List among them the letters which have vertical line of symmetry like A, horizontal line of symmetry like B, and no line of symmetry like Q. All letters we have to give it. Now, question number 8. Given here are figures of a few folded sheets and designs draw about the fold. In each case, draw a rough diagram of the complete figure that would be seen when the design is cut off. Yes, my dear students, you can see here the answer of exercise 13.2, first one. Line of symmetry, first A to F. How many types you can get? 4, 4, 4. 3 times 4. Let's check. 4, 4, 4 is there or not? Okay, let's check. For first one, vertical possible, yes. Horizontal possible, yes. Diagonally possible, yes. This diagonal possible, yes. Here also, when you cut it 2 parts, yes. Here 2 part, yes. Here 2 part, yes. Here 2 part, yes. For this one also, straight yes, cutting 2 part yes, here yes, yes and yes. But this one only one vertical, isn't it? Now look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Clear? Can you imagine it? What I am giving the answer? Yes, but here is the 6 are there, not 4. That's why I am telling you this is the 6 types. Where you find this one? 6 types are there, beta. See, I want to show you 6 types. Where is the 6 types, beta? Here. Here you can get the answers for 6 types. These are the answer of this 781, but I want to make it a big size, 6 one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again I can draw it. See, exactly I am trying to draw it. 1, yes, correct. 2, correct. Diagonally 3, correct. This diagonally 3, correct. Okay, now still 2 more are there. One is this way. इसको आधा कट किया और इसको आधा कट कर दिया. कितना मिला बेटा? L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6. Isn't it? So here 6 line of symmetry you can find. What about this one? No line of symmetry. Isn't it? Yes. For this 4 or 6 or 8, you can just say it and try to draw it yourself. Isn't it? See, I want to show the answer. 6, then 4, then 0, 0 and last 3. 3 किस में मिला बेटा? Want to see? ये दोनों में 0, 0 मिला था ना? 3 इसमें मिल गया था. Clear? Correct. Try to draw it and find out the answers. Look at the second answer. इसमें line of symmetry कहाँ मिला बेटा? L1 both are the vertical and last one is the diagonally. L1 is the line of symmetry, L1 is the line of symmetry, L1 is the line of symmetry. And D में क्या मिलेगा बेटा? No line of symmetry मिलेगा. बराबर है बेटा? क्योंकि ऊपर नीचे दोनों अलग अलग रहेंगे. Is it? Now main question is here for you in exam also. You can find these types of questions. You should have to draw the shape of the figure. Equilateral triangle. Yes beta. Correct. 3 line of symmetry. A square. 4 line of symmetry. Rectangle having only 2 lines of symmetry. No 4. Isn't it? Be careful about this one. Isosceles में बेटा 1 ही मिलेगा. Only 1 line of symmetry. Then after आएगा rhombus. Rhombus में आ गया 2. Vertical and horizontal. You cannot get 4 1. Isn't it? Yes. Square में 4 आता है. Rhombus में 2 ही आता है. circle, infinite, anyone, any point you can take out, beta. Either se, udhar se, any point. All are the line of symmetry. So many are there. Is it? Correct. Infinite means countless number of any number you can take out. No problem. We can take out any numbers without failing. Now main question. In isosceles triangle, we can find only one line of symmetry. In isosceles triangle, only one line of symmetry is possible. Second, no such triangle cannot be formed. Two line of symmetry किसी में भी नहीं मिलेगी. Yes, three line of symmetry किस में मिलेगी बेटा? Yes, equilateral triangle. दो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कोई भी टाइप के ट्राइंगल में मिलेगी नहीं. ये एक दिमाग में रख देने का, एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछ लेते हैं. थर्ड वन, स्केलेन ट्राइंगल में कोई भी नहीं आती है, कहीं से भी पकड़ो बेटा. स्केलेन ट्राइंगल का डेफिनेशन कौन देगा? परफेक्ट. करेक्ट बेटा. Those all three sides are different in a triangle called the scalene triangle. Good beta. Keep it up. Oh beta. Next question. A. उसका बन गया B to B1. AB से AB dash. Clear? Line of symmetry is horizontal. B is rectangle. Two line of symmetry L1 and L2. C like as a diamond shape. Is it? Line of symmetry vertical. AB then C B dash. What about this one? Octagon or hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon are there. Octagon means beta 1 line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 line. Is it? 8 lines are there. That's why it's a octagon. It's a octagon. Two line of symmetries are there in octagon. E. E में भी octagon है क्या? Hexagon है बेटा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. Hexagon and equilateral hexagon will gives you a 6 line of symmetry. Whatever we did previously. जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको, straight line, horizontal, diagonally, and then after two more line are there. Is it? Correct. Now what about this one? No line of symmetry you can find up this types of picture because all the lines are extended from the triangle. That's why it is not possible. And here two lines are possible, vertical and horizontal for these two diamonds. Yes, लिख it by 8. 4 line of symmetry. कहाँ पे मिले बेटा 4 line of symmetry? Yes, this is the second point. Here are the questions here. Can you find out here questions? All the questions are here. Correct. Now where we were? Here we were. Yes, इधर मिल गया था पहले. Look at the two line of symmetry and here 4 line of symmetry for squares. बन गया बेटा? Correct. Line of symmetry 1 horizontal, second vertical, third diagonal 1 and fourth diagonal 2. Okay beta, look at the two lines of symmetry for these types of octagon, vertical and horizontal. Is it? Only one line you can find, not two lines. And F में कितना मिलेगा बेटा? 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? Yes. Now look at here. Which letters are having? Which letters are there? Which are very helpful. Actually, by mistake, I used the arrows. We were here continuously for the figures. 12.2. Is it? You are 13.3. 13.3. Afterwards, for the vertical lines which are having A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Horizontal में आएगा बेटा B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. B, C, D, E, I, X or K. Number line of symmetry are F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z. Last question was here. My dear student, once again last question was given. Whatever the things are given, we should have to find out. The answers for 8th question is in your screen. Please check out all the answers. I just show it. Solution is exactly whatever the questions are there. You can find it. Yes, my dear student, this was the question top side and here is the answer. You had these types of M, Isn't it? Exactly the left side you can find also ulta m. You had the whatever the things, exactly copy whatever the line of symmetry given, downside it is there. So line of symmetry is here, you are having this shape, downside also you can find out of these types of shapes. So here we end up our exercise 13.2. Actually 13.1 and 13.2 together we are going to complete in these sessions, because very easy one there. One more is there, 13.3, interesting exercise. We will see in next session. Till there, bye bye.